linear, linear is a straight line. Okay, when you give the points 0 to 5, 1 2 3 4 5 will be in a straight line. Anything if you say linear, that is a straight line. And when I say non-linear, it will be like your you have a zigzag, or you can see the sine waves, how the sine wave looks starting from 0 to 1, then again it falls to 0, like that. Okay, that is called a non-linear. Okay, so that is a meaning for linear and non-linear. Now in ML model, the linear regression is mainly used for prediction, predictive analysis. Linear model is the oldest model and it is very simple also. Comes under supervised machine learning algorithm. See, it is the independent variable and dependent variable. So just tell me which is independent and which is dependent. As I said, area of the house, price of the house. Which is independent, which is dependent? And next example, number of hours of study. Grade. Grade depends on number of hours of study. Correct, na? How much effort that you are putting will reflect in your grade. Which is independent and which is dependent? Grade is answer. Number of hours of study and the grade. What is that? Anyone can answer. What is the independent and dependent variable here? எது டிபெண்ட் ஆயிருக்கு? Sugar level, diabetic of patient diabetes. Patient diabetes, patient diabetes இல்லையா? எது decide பண்ணும்? The sugar level will decide. So which is independent and which is dependent? Cholesterol range and the heart disease. Yeah, answer my question. Which is independent and which is dependent? No answer, Tailashri. Are you there? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியலையா?
Ma'am, in area of house வந்து price of the house வந்துட்டு dependent variable, ma'am. Number of houses.
Price வந்து dependent on what?
Like area of the house, ma'am.
So which is independent and which is dependent?
Area of the house is independent. Price of the house is dependent, ma'am.
How, ma'am? Price will go high or low. Okay, that is depends on area of house. So price is an independent variable and area of a house is a dependent, right? Am I, am I,
Yes,
am
ma'am.
I clear?
Okay, ma'am. I got it, ma'am.
So like that you have to categorize it, which is dependent and independent. Why? Because when you measure the regression value, you need to classify it whether which is dependent and which is independent. Okay, so the rainfall you have to predict the rainfall. So which is the dependent variable, which is the independent? So the rainfall may differ from each state. So that you need to find out and you have to calculate. So as I said, there are two types: linear regression, okay, and non-linear regression. So linear regression, uh, we have only a single variable available in the linear regression. When you go for multiple variables, then we say it is a multiple regression. Okay, so a linear regression line has an equation of form. As I said, when you say linear, it is a straight line. so which is indicated in the blue line.